Deloitte is hiring people for the role of analyst. The location they have given is Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. In this video, let me see what are all the eligibility criteria and how you can apply for this job role analyst. They have given like role is learning administrator and the level is associative analyst. Then they have given like are you an individual who is customer service oriented and enjoy providing service to internal clients in different countries? And Global Learning Administration Services is a free based service that supports member firms learning platform administration needs so resources can be allocated more effectively. This is about the role they have given. Provide day-to-day support on Deloitte Learning Platform administration, specializing as an admin role in SABA Cloud LMS. Should work as a part of extended team for internal clients. Provide expertise services on catalog management, session, and roster management, along with advanced administration and reporting to clients. And apply basic knowledge of systems and procedures to perform requirements of positions, implement and help to develop process and standards. Assignments are routine but require analytical thinking skills too. These are the things they have given. And the team at Deloitte, our team culture is collaborative and encourage team members to take initiatives and seek on the job learning opportunities. They have given something about the team. And the qualification they have given is graduation, and freshers are up to 1 year of corporate experience can apply for this job role. And the skills that I have mentioned are um, must have good verbal and written communication skills, should have knowledge of email etiquette, should have a basic knowledge of Excel, and should be able to read data and use the Excel features like sorting, removing duplicates, and filtering, should have experience of handling cases or tickets, should have ability to team with others, should have ability to interact well with the internal clients and understand their requirements, should be able to prioritize time and task. And they have preferred like creating MS PowerPoint presentations, and they have given something about how you will be growing and what are all the benefits you are getting from this particular thing. And they have given the same thing here too. Okay, now let me see how you can apply for this job role. You can find the apply now button here. After clicking this button, you will be like redirected to this page, login page. If you already are registered for this Deloitte, you can use those credentials to sign in, or else if you are a new user, then you can create this new user. You can create your account here, and verification mail will be sent to your mail that you have given here. And later using those credentials, you can able to log into this particular thing, and you can give your informations, resume, and all the informations will be like related to your personal thing only. You can easily give those informations, and you can review your application form or registration form, and you can submit those things. And later you will be getting a mail stating that thank you for applying, and they will be mentioning some process you should follow. After that, using those mail, you can able to attend the other process of interview too. Let's see what is the pay for this particular analyst in Deloitte. They have given in Glasgow, they have given the typical salary is like 6 lakhs per annum. This is the typical salary given for analyst. All the best for your interview preparation. I'll be giving the link in the description box. Using those link, you can apply for the job role. And if you have any queries, and if you want to know updates about the jobs, you can follow me in the Telegram channel, and also you can follow me in YouTube too.